The Hoover ONEPWR WindTunnel Emerge Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner is an interesting take on the cordless vacuum market. Hoover's been around for over 100 years, so they know a thing or two about making cleaning tools that get the job done. This model aims to make cleaning simpler and more versatile, providing users with a lightweight, cordless solution that tackles all floor types and even goes beyond the floor with handheld versatility. But does it really live up to the promises? Let's take a closer look. At first glance, the Hoover ONEPWR WindTunnel Emerge is light, just a touch over 6 pounds, and it features the kind of sleek, minimalist design that can easily be stored in tight spaces. What makes this vacuum stand out is its self-standing feature. Unlike many stick vacuums that require a wall mount or constant propping up against furniture, this one can stay upright on its own. That's a small but meaningful touch, especially for people who might need to pause mid-cleaning to clear an obstacle or empty the dirt cup without worrying about the vacuum tipping over. Performance-wise, it uses a multi-surface brush roll that allows you to effortlessly switch between different floor types. Whether you're dealing with hard floors, rugs, or low-pile carpets, this vacuum is designed to transition smoothly, ensuring effective cleaning across the board. The WindTunnel technology, in combination with Hoover's dual-cyclonic filtration, captures 99.4% of dirt and dust particles without compromising suction power. For households prone to allergies, this filtration system is a big plus. It helps keep the air cleaner by preventing fine dust from being pushed back into the environment as you clean. Speaking of suction, the Hoover ONEPWR doesn't disappoint. The suction power is strong enough to pick up fine dust, crumbs, and pet hair, even from thicker carpets. One thing to note is that, like many cordless vacuums, there's a slight trade-off between suction strength and battery life when you turn up the power. The vacuum does feature a hushstone system designed to reduce noise levels, so it's quieter than many other vacuums, making it a good option for those sensitive to loud vacuum sounds, or who need to clean in quieter environments, like apartments or homes with young children. Let's talk battery life. The Hoover ONEPWR uses a removable battery system that provides up to 45 minutes of continuous cleaning. While this is more than enough for a quick cleaning session or a smaller apartment, if you're in a larger home or need longer cleaning sessions, it could fall short. However, because the battery is removable, you can always buy an extra battery to extend your cleaning time. When it comes to attachments, Hoover has made sure this vacuum isn't just for floors. It includes tools designed for above-floor cleaning, so you can easily tackle upholstery, stairs, and even hard-to-reach spots. The ability to convert this vacuum into a handheld model makes it a true multitasker, ideal for people who want an all-in-one cleaning solution. Now, real-world usage. In our tests, the Hoover ONEPWR WindTunnel performed well on multiple surfaces. On hard floors, it picked up crumbs and dust easily, leaving surfaces spotless with minimal effort. On carpets, especially low-pile ones, the vacuum performed admirably, but thicker carpets did require more passes to get the embedded dirt out. Pet hair was no issue, even on rugs, thanks to the strong suction and multi-surface brush roll. Stairs were easy to clean with the included handheld attachment, and it made short work of cleaning my car seats and interior with the same tool. There are a couple of things worth mentioning. The Hoover ONEPWR is light, but not the most compact. It can be a bit unwieldy when you're trying to clean in tight spaces, especially around furniture legs or into corners. While it's quieter than most cordless vacuums, it's still noticeable, especially at higher power settings. The dust cup is a decent size, but depending on how dirty your home gets, you might need to empty it every 1 to 2 uses. It's easy to empty, but you may want to clean the filters occasionally, particularly if you have pets. Now let's dive into the pros and cons. The Hoover ONEPWR shines when it comes to convenience. The self-standing feature is a godsend if you need to take a break or move something out of the way without your vacuum tipping over. It's versatile, easy to maneuver, and powerful enough for both hard floors and carpets. However, it's not without a few trade-offs. The battery life could be limiting for larger homes, and the vacuum might feel slightly bulky for some users when maneuvering in tight spaces. In terms of value for money, The Hoover ONEPWR WindTunnel is a solid choice if you're looking for a powerful, versatile vacuum that's ideal for smaller to medium-sized spaces or quick cleaning sessions. The price point seems fair considering its strong performance and the versatility it offers with the included attachments and multi-surface brush roll. However, if you need a vacuum for a large home or one that can run for longer than 45 minutes without a recharge, you might want to consider other options with longer battery life. When comparing the Hoover ONEPWR WindTunnel to other vacuums in the same range, you'll find a few options with similar features. Vacuums like the Dyson V8 or Shark's IonFlex 2X also offer cordless convenience, but their suction power and battery life may vary. The Dyson, for example, has longer runtime but comes with a higher price tag. The Shark IonFlex 2X, on the other hand, offers a more flexible design and a bit more reach for a similar price point. Looking at build quality, the Hoover ONEPWR feels solid, with well-designed connections and sturdy materials. The plastic doesn't feel overly cheap, and the vacuum feels well-constructed for regular use. Maintenance is relatively easy. Just keep an eye on the filters and brush roll, especially if you have long hair or pets. These parts are easily accessible, and Hoover provides clear instructions on how to clean them. In terms of longevity, Hoover has built a reputation for making reliable products. So while we don't have long-term data yet, it's reasonable to expect that this vacuum will hold up well with proper care. There have been no major recurring issues reported with this model, so it's safe to say this vacuum will last for a few years, assuming regular maintenance. Customer service from Hoover has generally been praised, so if anything goes wrong, you're likely to get a timely response. They also offer a standard warranty, which adds peace of mind if you have any issues down the line. So who is this vacuum best for? If you're someone who values versatility, ease of use, and doesn't mind charging up for a second round of cleaning, the Hoover ONEPWR WindTunnel is a fantastic choice. It's ideal for smaller homes or people who need a lightweight vacuum that can transition easily between surfaces. However, if you need a vacuum that can handle long, uninterrupted cleaning sessions, or if you have a large home, you might want to look at something with a longer battery life and perhaps more power in high-use scenarios. Thanks for watching today's review. If you're interested in the Hoover ONEPWR WindTunnel, the link to grab it is right in the comments box. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on future reviews. And if you already own this vacuum, drop a comment below. Let's chat about your experience. Until next time, here at Reviewsinside TV, where we make your cleaning choices a whole lot easier. Happy vacuuming!